Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book, and today looks like we're doing number 154. Start with this column here. We've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 3, 7, 3, 7. That means our 8 has to be here. To finish out this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. So this has to be our 5. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. Got a 1 here, so 2, 7, 7 here, oh, and a 2 there. So this is our 1, and no other help here, so this is 2, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, 5, 6. We've got the 6 here and a 4 there. So 2, 5, 5 here with that 6, so 2, 4, 2, 4 here, so 5, 6, and 2, 5, 6 here, so that means that this is our 4, that makes this our 2, 5, 6, and that 2 makes this our 7, that 7 makes this our 3, 7. So for this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 and 4 here, so that's our 3. We've got the 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. In this box now, we're missing a 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5. No help here. 3, 4, 5. A 5 here and a 3 here. So this is our 4. And we can get rid of this 4 here. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 and 6 here, and a 9 here. So this is our 3, and that would make this our 9. We've got a 6 there, so this is our 5 and 6. For this, and this 3 would come up and make this our 5 and 3. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so 4, but no other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 8, a 3 here, so 2, 8, and no help here, so 2, 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so that's our 2, a 4 here, so 9 and 4. To finish off this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, then, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8 and 3. For this row now, we're missing an 8. That means we can get rid of this 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. And no other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. But that means the only place our 2 can be in this box is here. And that 2 comes down here, makes this our 8, 3, 2. And this 8 comes back up here, makes this our 7, 8. And the 7 comes down here, makes that our 1 and 7. So to finish out this box then, we're still missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so 6. A 1 here, so 5 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.